Hey, so here is Geico Mobile car insurance app. I think it's one of the top car insurance mobile apps, and of course Geico like one of the most popular like insurance companies. So yeah, it's 2.7 million ratings and 4.8 average rating. So that's pretty impressive. So let's just tap get, and yeah, you can see that the size is like 90 megabytes. So you need to have that free storage in your device. And then just wait, and then just tap open. And then yeah, you just need to select are you a policy holder or not. So then you just can select an option, and then you can see view the rate. So all the insurance rates here. And whatever. Okay, I don't know, like you just enter your zip code, and then you'll be able to see the rates and all of that, and then just see the and enter the address of your home and all of that. So that's basically the idea. And if you're already a policyholder, you can just start the login process, and you just enter user ID, email, policy number, password, and just start the login process. You can also like start new claim, roadside assistant. There are different use cases here, and all of that. In top right, you have settings. You can contact, you can leave feedback, you can see some perks here. You can reach out here in their help center. Contact them by phone, chat, or email. So yeah, that's just a quick preview. Hope that it was somewhat helpful. Thanks for watching.